Take a minute, let's mismanage your time. It's getting hot up in here.
Niagara Falls. Sa totoo niya, ang pronunciation ko talaga, Niagara, Niagara silent. Eh, pala yan na self-serve boat tickets. Kung gusto mo.
Huwag na, dito na tayo nag-
Or, hey, okay. Pero kung hindi ka techie, hindi ka sa ano, meron din ano sa'yo, book online, pwede. Tapos ito yung payment, ka trippers para may idea kayo. Yan.
For boats, right? Yeah.
Are you paying in Canadian or US?
Canadian. So there's an option, US or Canadian. So meron na kami card. Napaka-important
We
yung
can
card.
go with US too. Fast.
Natiket namin. Pasukan.
Ito na ang katotohanan.
Measure yung
Yes,
security.
ready. Sinishield ko muna yung back ko.
Ooh.
Again,
Let's go, guys.
Red color
Go fight
is-
week. Kasi na-confuse ka.
Oo.
Meron doon kung US dollar ang bit-bit mo, they have the card for USD. And if you have a Canadian card, yung credit card, meron din sila na machine for that.
I get it.
Distance lang kasi dito eh, yung border lang ng US. May may
Kaya kami
screen.
nakaganito.
Naka-sleeper na.
Kasi kahapon.
Winarning nga na kami. Sabi, mababasa kayo. Mababasa kayo. Yan ang US border. Yung bridge na yan. Yan.
Tapos diyan kami nagbibideo kahapon.
Yung deck. Wow! This is it!
Gusto matatry na. Ang pag-visit mo na matatry mo to sa Niagara, sulit na to eh. Additional na yung mga speedway, yung Ferris wheel, zipline.
Ako si Ivan, Talaga ba? Hi, Ivan!
Yun ang zipline.
Yeah. Doon ka, drop. It takes time to kung dito ka magtatrabaho. Security. Elevator muna. Diyan kami na. And then, this way. Una talaga. Uy, okay lang yan. Hindi mo naman kailangan na gano'n. Oh, proceed this way.
Lamig na. And
Oh my God. Oh, dito kami. So, kakatapos na nila mag-boating, boat ride.
Tapos na yan.
Oo, tapos na yan.
Kung napansin mo na basa na yung mga damit, buhok, dada,
Oo.
madalas.
Ayan na siya, yung sa US,
Oh
oh.
my God!
Oo, wow!
Amazing!
Wow! Oh, scanner.
Okay.
Thank you. Ayan na. Libre na yan, get reverse. Libre na.
Ito na, katotohanan.
Yay!
Ang ponchos.
Poncho.
Free.
Haha.
Selfie too.
Space in front and around you. Thank you.
Kaya yung ticket mo? Parang malabo yung eyeglasses ko ah. Natamaan. Welcome aboard.
I'm here to stay.
Maraming Teletubbies.
No time to waste. Okay.
Ayan, Bayan yan. Nag-work dito. Ganun kahaba ang pila. Until doon. I-stop nila yan. May ano yan eh. Sila na nakakaalam nung gano'ng karami. Ayan. Ayan yung parating. Doon kami. Ay, ayan na. Parating na isa. So, it will... 2 boat. Boat ba? Boat. Okay. Mas matalino yung baby ko eh
Hindi
kaysa sa
matalino
akin.
yan.
Ayun na yung falls oh. Shipmate, sa'yo ko naman lahat tinatanong kaalaman ko. Sige. Thank you sa mga subscriber. At sa mga friend namin na nandyan pa rin. Mga kasamahan ko sa barko na nandyan pa rin. Sagun. Medina, Richard Medina, shout out. Lahat ng mga kasamahan ko sa barko hindi ko ma-mention. Si Usher, dekadet ko na PMMA, mabait na bata, yung matalino. Official na yan.
Teletubbies. And loading, exit. Welcome aboard.
Ayun ang US.
Yes, blue sila.
Load na rin.
We are the red. They are the blue. Tayo sa blue. Front.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Hello.
Morning.
Hello, Captain. Here.
For your safety, this boat is equipped with all necessary and proper life-saving and firefighting equipment. Life jackets are stored in the labeled storage lockers located throughout the boat. Instructions on how to wear life jackets is also clearly labeled in the storage lockers. Life rafts are located at the stern of the boat. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound and you will be directed by our crew members on how to proceed. If you require special care or assistance in emergency situations, please make yourself known to a crew member. For your own safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and hold onto the handrail, especially when going up or down stairs or disembarking. We hope you enjoy your boat tour to the falls. Thank you for choosing Niagara City Cruises.
I'm excited.
Hello, baby.
Come on.
Excited yung baby.
Dapat tumasok hanggang sa falls yung ganun, no?
Takpan mo na lang. Doon kami sa taas kanina. Tumitig.
Good choice to kasi mataas. Yoo-hoo! Ayun na US, oh.
Punta ka muna pala doon. Dadaling doon dyan. Dito muna sa port side.
I'm your option, and I'll keep it honest. You were worried about him, don't know where that he's been.
Eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Glacier Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 108 feet, 56 meters high. Its crest line, 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable report, a 1950 section fell near the end of the
Yung yellow, I think, ano lang, tour.
water falls is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by the Goat Island is much larger and separates the American Rhino Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Rhino Falls is 480 feet, 55 meters, over
Lahat na nakikita doon, birds na. Birds na, oh.
Baby, I'm on your side. No, you can't let it slide. Take 'em off of your mind, and let's take 'em out.
house used for generating electricity to decrease the water flow, reducing this day. Biggest water fall in the world is water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls is the white foam flow in the water and the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 284 feet, or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Ayan, ang lapit. Oh, basang-basa. Kami!
Matawag ulit. Basang-basa eh.
One thing, baby, that I really need to know. Down, up, down. Come on, baby, let's go. You were worried about him.
Meron pang boating na fireworks sa gabi kung gusto mo. Den Hyatt, pero malayo-layo yung Hyatt. Arju, yung baby ko buwing. Naka-experience? Yung finishing doon. Tiglet, pupunta pa rin pala.
They have to maneuver pa.
Pwede ka mag-walkout na mo, walking. Yan nakita mo yung flag ng Canada, US. Yan yung kalahati, in between ng poste. Nakita mo.
So we can do it, no?
Hanggang dyan lang. Hindi ka pwedeng dyan, kahit tumapak dyan. Mag-step.
Oh, sige. Try namin yung... Ayan na, nag-maneuver na si Kapitan.
I talked to Planet. Everything else, pretty good. My fucking hat's wet. That was my design. Keep the heat off. Keep the heat off.
Napaka-enjoy ka-trippers. Again, US, then Canada.
Le client est
Yun. Huwag ka mag-step po doon ha. Pagka nandito kayo, never step yung mga taga-Canada. Katulad namin,
Ladies
hindi
and
pa
gentlemen, thank you for
step.
joining us today aboard Niagara City Cruises. We sincerely hope that you enjoyed your voyage to the falls. As we approach the dock, please do not move about the vessel and refrain from using the stairs until the vessel is secure. Once alongside the dock, our crew will direct you to either the forward or rear gangway for disembarking. Check to make sure you have all your belongings and proceed to exit the vessel. Visit our Miss Deer gift shop for those last-minute items, or join us dockside at the Riverside Patio Bar and Grill and enjoy Niagara wines, craft beer, and a
You
selection
have
of
to wait
delicious
for the
entrees,
US
snacks, or
noon.
sweets. On behalf of Captain and crew, we thank you for sailing with Niagara City Cruises.
Berting. Berting yan. Ang may mga line 1 din. Siyempre. Canada. Canada. Hindi yan ang ano gangway ah. Doon sa baba ang pinaka-gangway. Okay, extra ka na. May ulit. Whoosh!
Down, down, down. Enjoy. Worth it naman siya kasi first. Sulit. Imagine, na-try namin. Wow. Next, if you like zipline, pwede.
Take a minute, let's mismanage your time. It's getting high.
Sleepers, best experience. So guys, nag-drive ako ng almost 7 hours. May 6 hours lang.
7 days.
Sulit. Thank
Ayan
you,
ang
ma'am.
Poncho Recycling.
Okay. Poncho Recycling ano.
Yes, yes, yes.
Kahapon, pumunta kami ng ano ng Dolorama and there's so many poncho. Mura lang naman.
Nag-aubarin na
Yeah.
lang. Tulungan kita.
So enjoy. Ang sarap ng feelings na yan. Hindi naman dapat lagi-palagi. Kunyari every year dito ang bakasyon namin. Ayos.
Pwede, pwede.
Kasi talaga nagre-range ng malaki rin ng gastos. Inaawat ko siya dun sa may promo, yung 89.
Abot ka dito ng ano, mga 60 to 70,000.
Pag kinumbert, no? Mamaya na kasi maraming tao.
Kasi sabi nga ng
Again?
counter, sabi niya talaga.
Hindi, again, yung pwede namin i-try yan, no? Masyadong malayo eh. I-zoom ko sa triple.
Nakalibig mo stabilization. Stabilization talaga. Stabilize pala.
Basta yan. Wag lang tayo sa sobra. Lakad ka rin sa bridge na yon. Hanggang doon ka lang sa flag ng Canada. Lalakad ka ron pag sa US ka doon. Yan ha. Wag lalagpas kasi bawal yan. Lalo na pag di ka citizen katulad namin. Kaya ulit. Nag-wave yan kada ano yung kabilang barko. Nag-wave sa amin, nag-wave back kami. Later. Best experience isa sa Canada. Go here at Niagara Falls. Lalo na pag long weekend. Yan. Ayan si Inday oh. See you.
No time to waste. Okay, okay. Okay,
pala, after ng boating, ka-trippers, ito. May restroom ka-trippers dito. Gusto nyo ng snacks. Tapos restroom. Pag nagpalit kayo ng shoes, nagpalit na kami agad ng shoes.
Yeah, yung iba,
Kasi basa ang socks.
Membran.
Oo, pwede.
Yeah. Okay. We will go back.
Oh.
Yung iba sumasakay doon. Siguro team or what?
Diyan no, tapos lalabas dito, photograph, photo gallery. Ano, punta ka ng photo? Huwag na, remembrance.
Oo nga pala.
Gusto mo ba?
How much?
I don't know. Check natin. Ito ang, dito kanina, bago pumasok, may photo op. It's up to you kung kukunin mo hindi, optional.
I think dito
Exit
yun.
dito. Oo nga.
Yung
Oo.
mag-claim ka ng picture.
Papakita nila o nandito. Ang galing.
Ito yung nasa ano pala.
Oo. Napaka-systematic. Diyan kami kanina.
Diyan may nagpabasa-basa.
Ito yan o, yung behind the phone.
Yung sinasuggest niya sa akin, hindi pala ilalim na ilalim, lilit lang.
Side lang, journey, behind,
Kaya
sa
next
likod.
time na lang yun. Gusto ko talaga yung speedway sa kayo. Sa gabi, try namin yung, yan yung fireworks mo.
Oo, kung gusto mo mag-boating sa gabi, may fireworks. Or gusto mo lang tumingin sa taas, dun sa observation deck. Ito yung whirlpool, kasama yan.
Ayan.
Pero part yan ng Escape the Ordinary. Ayan yung kanina namin na adventure. Journey begins here. Here. Alright, mahaba-haba din to. Meron siyang kung anong elevator ka. May nag-a-assist sa inyo para hindi maging crowded. Okay, later again. People are very welcome there. That's their house. Go, ang cute oh.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
I like this, oh. No? These
Ito siya.
souvenirs. Mga praile. Ayan oh.
So let's go there.
Oh. MMK. At kami po ay nag-MMK. Dati po ay doon lang kami sa
Ano siya? Ayan, yung rally ng bridge niya. Sa harapan kaya pala alam niya. Try lang natin yung wala, natuyo na yung gamit, no?